on February the 14th. I mean 4th. On February the 4th, King Jean, is it Jean?
Rob Ajian. Sorry.
Rob Ajian Fletcher was born. He weighed 5 pounds, 14 ounces, and was 20 inches long. His mommy and dad were so happy and loved him so much. And this is what King looked like when he came out of his mom's stomach. That's a newborn. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. It takes 12 months for the earth to go around the sun. For King's first birthday, he got his own birthday cake and smashed it all to pieces. He had cake all over his face, hands, and feet. And this is what he looked like at his first birthday party. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. It takes 12 months for the earth to go around the sun. By the time King was 2, he was already playing on the computer, playing games on nickjr.com. For his second birthday party, he went to Chuck E. Cheese and met Chucky. Now, and this is what happened to this girl. This is King when he was 2 years old. Amari, come sit over here, please. Beautiful hair.